Start removing the 8 T30 bolts and 6 10mm bolts holding the top part of the bumper. Underneath, remove the 5 10mm bolts and 2 pop clips holding the bumper and plastic cover together. Towards the edges, remove the 10mm bolts on either side. In both wheel wells, remove the 2 Phillips screws holding the wheel guard to the bumper. Peel the guard out of the way so you can reach in and disconnect the fog lights. The connectors use 2 clips that you pinch from both sides and it should slide right out. Start pulling off the bumper. It's only held in with clips at this point, and grab a mate to help you hold the bumper while you pull it off.